Do you have a proven done for you blueprint? Your proven done for you framework is here. A capture page set up. Email automation responders, which I totally love. You set it up once and it continually build and nurture your leads into making a buying decision whereby you are generating leads and all that lovely things happening for you. Your sales page, having a thank you page, upsell, visual of how you can build all of this. You can see these things. I'll document another video whereby I will walk you through the setup or my system that I use to generate leads continuously and effectively without you being present in the transaction, and how the system continually builds know, like, and trust with your email automation responders that keeps your audience in line with building relationships. Remember, business is all about relationships, building that deeper bond, that deeper know, like, and trust, whereby you are moving your potential market into making a buying decision without you being present in the transaction. And that is what I totally and simply adore. Working less, making your life more convenient and easier when it comes to online business.